guys, what's up? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? So check it out, I'm selling one of my personal machines here. This is a 2010 Harley Davidson Dyna Y Glide. I've had for probably going on 2 years, I would say. Super nice bike. I replaced both, actually got both got both fork seals replaced. Rebuilt, I'm sorry, totally rebuilt. Completely rebuilt at the local Harley Davidson shop. It's got the baffles removed out of the exhaust. It's got a license plate, flipper thinger, kind of LED light, whatever you want to call it right there. It's got a rock chip there. Bike runs and drives damn good. It's amazing. It runs and drives absolutely perfect, super well maintained. And that's about it really. Front tires are pretty new. The front tire is a Dunlop GT502F. It's a 80/90/21. And the rear tire is a Dunlop GT502 180/60/17. Both tires are practically fairly new. I mean, yeah, that's pretty damn new. Substantial grip and everything. So just posting it here soon for sale. Clean as hell, garage kept, belt driven. And if you want to start it up, no problem. It's got the battery tender too, so when you're out there, you get your battery tender. I'll start it up for you guys. It's got 19,000 miles on it, 19,632. Start it up for you. Sounds really, really mean. All you tough guys out there, or wannabe tough guys out there, this is the hell of the bike. And trust me, there's a lot of tough guys out there. So put your Billy Badass suit on, get your leather assless chaps, and jump on this fat hog, and you'll pick up some soft tail at the bar. Starts up no problem every time, shifts fine, runs and drives great, undercarriage is good, headlight works. Good number. Good number. Tank's in good shape, seats are good. It's a special edition Harley. This is a limited edition Harley with the big front wheel and the black rim, the flames. It's a special edition Harley. You can go on the website and look it up. So it's one out of I forget how many made, but it's treating me well. So hope you guys like the bike. Cut it off. Hope you guys like the bike. It's got the ignition lock and all that jazz, and gas can's nice and shiny, and that's about it. So like I said, special edition 2010 Harley Davidson Dyna Y Glide. Tires are good. It's a start-up run and drive bike. There's a little stain on the exhaust from somebody's foot before me, and right here somebody's foot before me, but you can get that off with some chrome cleaner. Brakes are good, tires are great. Yeah, hope you guys like the video. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up. There's the underside of it right there on the engine. Kickstand's good. No damage on the underside of the over this, and then on that side, nothing either. So yeah, All right, hope that's enough information for you guys. If you have any questions, hit me up, 540-848-2974. And you can call or text me, and it'll probably be sold pretty soon because I'm pricing it fairly good. If you're looking at this video and you're wondering, and you look at the date on the video made and it's older than 6 months old, I can guarantee you it's not going to be available anymore. It will be sold. So if you're watching this video 6 months down the road, it is sold. You can count on that. All right, title in hand, clean, clear title in hand. See ya.